Family, a group of people who are related to each other, such as parents, children, and grandparents. Relative, a family member, such as a brother, sister, aunt, uncle, cousin, or grandparent. Household, the group of people who live together in the same home. Parents, the people who take care of and raise children. Sibling, a brother or sister. Grandparents, the parents of a person's mother or father. Aunt, the sister of someone's mother or father. Uncle, the brother of someone's mother or father. Cousin, the child of one's aunt or uncle. Adopted, to legally take another person's child into your own family and take care of him or her as your own. Family tree, a diagram showing how different people in a family are related to each other. Ancestor, a person in your family who lived a long time ago, like a great-grandparent. Heritage, the traditions, beliefs, and customs that are passed down from one generation to another within a family. Tradition, something that is done the same way by a family over many, many years. Like a special way of celebrating a holiday. Generation, all the people who are around the same age in a family. Like all the cousins who are children of the siblings. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. My family lives in a big house with a garden. 2. My aunt is my father's sister and she lives in another city. 3. In our household, we have 2 dogs and a cat as pets. 4. My parents always help me with my homework after school. 5. I have one sibling, a younger brother who loves playing soccer. 6. My grandparents are very old, but they like to tell stories. 7. Aunt Lily is my dad's sister, and she bakes the best cookies. 8. My uncle takes me fishing on weekends, and it's so much fun. 9. My cousin and I are the same age, and we go to the park together. 10. My friend Kevin is adopted, but his parents love him very much. 11. We made a family tree for a school project, and it was interesting. 12. I learned that my ancestor was a famous artist many years ago. 13. Our heritage is from Italy, so we love cooking Italian food. 14. We have a tradition of baking cookies every Christmas Eve. 15. My grandmother always talks about the generation before her.